Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo. A versatile 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse perfect for hard floors, pet hair, and low-pile carpets. This innovative device boasts a 1,400 pascal suction power and a 230 milliliters electric control water tank, ensuring thorough cleaning on surfaces like laminate, ceramic tiles, and granite. With the ZCWA Smart app, you can easily schedule cleanings, switch modes, and even control the vacuum with voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, plus a remote control is included for added convenience. The robot's advanced 3D obstacle avoidance and slim 2.87-inch design allow it to navigate around furniture and into tight spaces, leaving no corner untouched. Enjoy up to 100 minutes of runtime on a single charge, and rest easy knowing it will automatically return to its charging base when needed. Choose from 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, to tackle any mess with precision and efficiency. The Zigzag mode, in particular, maximizes coverage and reduces missed spots, enhancing your cleaning routine by up to 30%. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.